You know it'll never lie to you? Nature. It's one of the only things. It's as true can be. Not your perceptions, of course. Those are all human. This is ground zero for reality. Everything else is artificially created. Everything else adds to drama, trauma, and your life experience, while you're always trying to figure out what is true and what is not. Except when you're in nature. From the dangers to the beauty to the incredible energy and magic, it's the truest thing on earth. Have a great day.